Good morning students. It's your GK class. In today's class, we will discuss about something new and very interesting. In your previous class, we have learned about means of traveling. Hope you all have learned all the things which is shown in your previous video. In today's topic, as I already said, that it is very interesting and we loved it. So let's see what it is. Chapter number 25 it is, and chapter name is Festival Bonanza. We all love festivals. As you know, in India we celebrate lots of festivals together, isn't it? There are some religious festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, etc. And there are lots of small and big festivals are there. Continuing this same topic, we will discuss about more. As you know, we get school holiday on all our festival. There are two types of festival. First is national festival, and other one is religious festival. National festival means festival that we celebrate together all over India, and religious festivals means it is celebrated by particular religion, like Hindus celebrate Diwali, Christians celebrate Christmas, Sikhs celebrate Guru Nanak Dev Jayanti, and Muslim celebrates Eid. I hope you all understand this. Before starting, first of all, see the syllabus of annual exam. All these chapters will come in your annual exam. Now we will start our chapter. Let's see more about festival.
In India, the festival time is awaited by people of all age groups. Indians celebrate festivals with full of enthusiasm and fun. Some of the important religious and national festivals are Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Independence Day, Republic Day. People from all over the world visit India to witness the colorful and joyful festival. Festivals in India celebrate by unity in diversity of the country. Some of the festival shows victory of good over evil. The beauty of India lies in its diversity and colorful celebration of their culture and traditions.
Hope you all are enjoyed it. Now coming to the next, which is our book work. So let's start. In your book, page number 38, there are some festival pictures. As you can see, there are some festival pictures. You have to complete its name. You have to unjumble the word. There are some alphabet written over there in your book. You have to write correctly. Now we will do it. So let's start. The number one festival is, spelling written here is Npogla. Now we will correct is you will write Pongal. The correct answer is Pongal. You will write like this. Pongal. L. You will write like this. The second is, it is very easy. The second festival is celebrated by Muslims community. Spelling is D-I-E and the right answer will E-I-D. Eid. You will write it like this. E-I-D. It is Eid. Now coming to the next, the third one is our national festival. The spelling written here is P-E-R-U-L-D-C-I-A-Y-B. You will write it is Republic Day. You will write like this. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C-D-A-Y. You will write just like this. Now coming to the next, the upcoming festival. You know, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December and 25th December is about to come. The next festival is Christmas. We like Christmas very much because we love gifts and Santa Claus gives us gifts. That is why we like Christmas very much. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. You will write like this. Christmas. Okay? Now turn your page and moving to the next, page number 39. The fifth festival. Spelling written here is M-O-A-N. The festival name is O-N-A-M. Onam. You will write like this. O-N-A-M. Onam festival basically celebrated by the South Indians. It is the festival of South India. It is the festival of South India. Number 6. The festival which is celebrated by Sikh religion. The spelling written here is V-R-U-P-A-G-U-R. The right will be Guru Parv. You will write G-U-R-U-P-A-R-V. Guru Parv. Write it in your book. Don't write it in your copy. You have to just fill it in your book. Now I am going to erase some of the words so that I can write the next. The seventh one is my favorite, and I think your all favorite. It is the festival Holi. You will write like this. H-O-L-I. Number 8 is I am rubbing this all. Also, it is the favorite festival of everyone is Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. It is Diwali, the festival of lights. Now, again the festival of Sikh community, Lohri. Lohri is celebrated by the Sikhs. Now the last one is Dashehra. Dushehra. Few days before we celebrated this festival. After Dashehra, we celebrate Diwali. Now you all have to complete your book work. That's all. I hope you like this video. So if any confusion, you can ask me personally or you can see this video again. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.